Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. As you know, my previous class was depend on properties of multiplication. Now today let us we discuss about properties of division. So in this section first we discuss about what is your first property. The property number 1 is when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. The meaning of this statement is if any number divided by 1, then you will get the same number. If any number divided by 1, then you will get the same number. As you are looking in this example, 10 divided by 1, then quotient will be 10. 15 divided by 1, then quotient will be 15. Okay. Now your second property is when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. For example, if 5 divided by 5, then quotient will be 1. I want to give just other example. If 7 divided by 7, then you will get always 1. The meaning is if same number divided by the same number, then quotient will be always 1. Okay. Now third property is when 0 is divided by any number, then quotient is 0. When 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. Just I want to give one example for this rule. If 0 divided by 5, then you will get always 0. If 0 divided by 2, then you will get always 0. The meaning is if 0 is divided by any number, then quotient will be always 0, as you are looking in this example. The rule number 4 is divided by 0 is not defined. Division by 0 is not defined. The meaning is if any number divided by 0, then what will be the answer? If any number divided by 0, then quotient will be undefined. Quotient will be undefined. The meaning is for this type of question we would not find out the any numerical answer. Okay. So if 7 divided by 0, then you will get always undefined. Just I want to give one other example. If 3 divided by 0, then you will get always undefined. Okay, you would not get the any numerical value. Okay, so these four rules are related with properties of division. Okay, now today let us we discuss about some problem depend on the properties of division. My first question is find the quotient and remainder. This question depend on your book from page number 28. Find the quotient and remainder. The question is if 7386 divided by 35, then what will be quotient and remainder? So in this example, 7386 is dividend and 35 is divisor. Okay, so now let us start the solution of this question. As you are looking, there are divisor is 35, so it is not necessary to learn the table of 35. In 35 tens number is 3, so by the help of table of 3 we will take out the answer. Now let us discuss. As you are looking, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. 9 is greater than 7. The meaning is quotient will be less than 3. Quotient will be less than 3. The meaning is there will be 2 or less than 2. 35 2 ja 70. Okay, 3 minus 0 3, 7 minus 7 0. Now carry forward, next number is 8, 38. You are looking very well. I think all of you know about the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, so 35 1 ja 35. 8 minus 5 3. Then after carry forward, next number 36. 35 1 ja 35, 6 minus 5 1, and 3 minus 3 0. Okay, so in this question, quotient is 211 and remainder is 1. Q stands for quotient. Quotient is 211 and remainder is 1. Okay, my next question is depend on your book, page number 28. 65,985 divided by 150. Then we will find out quotient and remainder. So in this question, 65,985 is dividend and 150 is the divisor. Okay, it is not necessary to learn the table of 150. Okay, by the help of table of 15 we can take out the answer. As you know very well, 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, and 15 5 ja 75. 75 is not possible. Now so there will be 4 or less than 4. 150 multiplied by 4, you will get 600. Okay, now let us subtract 600 from 659. Then what we will do? 9 minus 0 9, 5 minus 0 5. Now then after note down the next number 8, so this will be 598. Okay, again 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60. 60 is greater than 59, not possible. So in quotient there will be 3 or less than 3. 150 into 3, 450. Okay, now then after we can subtract 450 from 598. 8 minus 0 8, 9 minus 5 4, 5 minus 4 1. Now we can note down next number 5. Okay, now then after this will be 1485. As you know the table of 15, 15 9 ja 135. So there will be 150 into 9, you will get 1350. Then after we can subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 0 5, 8 minus 5 3, 4 minus 3 1. As you are looking, In this question, quotient is 439 and remainder is 135. Okay. Then after, my next question is, this question depend on page number 28. Divide 10,648 by 121. Check your division. So what we will do? 10,648 divided by 121. It is need not necessary to learn the table of 121. By the help of table 12, we can take out the answer. As you know, 12 8 is 96, 12 9 is 108. 108 is not possible, so there will be 8 or less than 8. 121 into 8, 968. Okay, now let us subtract. We cannot subtract 8 from 4, so we take one number borrow from 6. So there will be 5 and it will be 14. 14 minus 8, 6. We cannot 6 subtract from 5. So we take one number borrow from 10. So it will be 9 and it will be 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. We can note down next number, 968. Again 121 into 8, you will get 968. After subtracting, you will get 0. After this procedure, we can take out the answer of this question. The quotient is 88 and remainder is 0. Now we can check our answer by the help of one formula. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor is 121 and quotient is 88, remainder is 0. 121 into 88, you will get 10,648 plus 0. You will get 10,648. This number is the same according to dividend. So 10,648 is here and 10,648 is here. So your answer is correct. Okay. I have one more question. Find the quotient and remainder. 7,386 divided by 35. So what we will do? 7,386 is dividend and 35 is divisor. According to multiplication, 35 2 ja 70, 3 minus 0 3, 7 minus 7 0. Now we can note down next number 8. 35 1 ja 35. 8 minus 5 3, 3 minus 3 0. Next number is 6. 35 1 ja 35. 6 minus 5 1 and 3 minus 3 0. So in this question, quotient is 211 and remainder is 1. Okay. I have one more question. 65,895 divided by 150. So 65,895 is dividend and 150 is the divisor. Now let us discuss 150 into 4, 600. After subtraction, you will get 8 minus 0, 8, 5 minus 0, 5. We can note down next number 9. 150 into 3, 450. After subtraction, we will get 9 minus 0, 9, 8 minus 5, 3, 5 minus 4, 1. Again we can note down next number is 5. So 5 is here. 150 into 9, 1350. After subtraction, the remainder is 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 5 4. After subtraction you will get quotient is 439 and remainder is 45. Okay, so my dear students, all these questions depend on the properties of division. I think it will be very clear to you for your knowledge and for your upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.